Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is going to be focusing on this mini Paceman John Cooper Works and the upgrade that we've carried out. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. What that does is basically keep you up to date with all our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out, not just on minis, but also a complete array of vehicles and different installations that we're carrying out day in and day out. So today's video is going to be focusing on this particular system that we've upgraded, which is basically an integrated reversing camera, an integrated front parking camera, as well as a HDMI input into the factory screen. So this is a really nice solution that integrates really nicely into the factory screen. So you may have purchased one of these vehicles or looking to purchase one of these vehicles, but it doesn't have one of these three options. We can do these independently, or also we can do them all together like this customer's done here. So what we're going to do is start through how it works on this particular vehicle. So what we're going to do, we're going to start at the back of the vehicle. So what we've got is a ProFit wedge camera. That's gone into the factory location in terms of the reversing camera in the bumper. And that's completely, all you see is the camera if you're really looking for it. But that gives you a nice wide image displayed onto the factory screen, giving a full screen view as well. So that's displayed as soon as you engage reverse. So that's automatic, there's nothing else to do. You really can't see a thing if we're just adding a reversing camera. As soon as you come out of reverse though, because we've added in a front camera, what we've got is an 11-second image of the front camera. So this is more for when you're parallel parking. We can choose these settings as you like, and we can also alter these as well. But as soon as you disengage from reverse, you'll automatically on your screen get the image of your front camera, which is really nicely positioned in the front bumper. You can't really tell that that was in the factory position as well. It looks really, really nice in that front bumper. So that's come up live onto the screen. But you can also turn on your front camera without engaging reverse. So that's done by pressing a button on your dashboard, and what that does is it pulls up the image of the front camera onto your screen as though you had just selected reverse and come out. So that's how the parking system works. They're integrated completely into the factory screen. You've got a really nice clear image there as well. So that's the camera systems, and the other thing that we've added in here is a HDMI input. So what that allows is for you to plug in your phone, whether it's an iPhone, Android, whatever it may be, and plug in the phone and actually get, well, if you want to watch on your phone in terms of YouTube, Netflix, and that runs, the audio runs throughout the vehicle, and your image actually can be, if you twist your phone around for instance, you can get the image going across the whole screen, really, really clear as well, and then you've got all the audio around the vehicle. So it's a really nice way to get a HDMI input into this vehicle too. So if you really like this system or interested in this same system on your vehicle, maybe it's not this same vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll put all our links below. We'll sit down with you, visit us. We can show you around our workshop and show you around our showroom, and then we can find a solution that works for you and your vehicle. And we can also quote that all up for you, but that has to be done here in Cambridge. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you are new to our channel, just make sure you hit that subscribe button below just to keep up to date with all our latest videos. But thank you very much guys for watching our very short video on this mini Paceman John Cooper Works, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.